Immerse into the realm of container orchestration with Kubernetes, an open-source platform that automates, scales, and manages container deployment. Picture it as your digital conductor, orchestrating complex symphonies of containerized applications with precision and ease. Begin by setting up your Kubernetes cluster, a process that involves configuring nodes, defining pods, and deploying services. Fear not, for every step of this journey will be guided and simplified. Once your cluster hums to life, the deployment of your applications commences. Kubernetes works on a declarative configuration, a system where you outline your application's desired state, and Kubernetes conducts the rest. The beauty of Kubernetes lies in its ability to scale your applications up or down based on demand, ensuring optimal performance and resource utilization. And there we have it, a quick dip into the ocean of Kubernetes implementation. Remember to share the knowledge and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Here's to seamless container orchestration with Kubernetes.